BCACT131 atomic structure, bonding, general organic chemistry, and aliphatic hydrocarbons. Atomic structure 1. BCACT131 atomic structure, bonding, general organic chemistry, and aliphatic hydrocarbons. Block 1 atomic structure. Unit 1 Bohr's theory. Unit 2 Dual behavior of radiation and matter. Unit 3 Quantum mechanical approach. Unit 4 Hydrogen atom. Unit 5 Electronic configuration of multi-electron atoms. Block 1 Atomic structure. This is the first block of the core course: atomic structure, bonding, general organic chemistry, and aliphatic hydrocarbons. BCACT 131. It describes the important aspect of atomic structure in details and also deals with the electronic configuration of multi-electron atoms. There are 5 units in this block. The first unit of this block, that is Unit 1, deals with Bohr's theory. The unit touches very briefly on the important features of earlier atomic models given by Dalton, Thomson, Rutherford. Then Bohr's model of atomic structure is discussed in detail. You will also learn here about the calculation of radii of various orbits and energy of the electron when present in these orbits. You will then learn how Bohr's theory has been helpful in explaining some of the future hydrogen atom spectrum. The unit ends with a discussion on the limitations of the Bohr theory and a brief idea about the Sommerfeld modification to Bohr's theory. Unit 2 on dual behavior of radiation and matters begins with a description of the nature of radiation. Both the wave nature and the particle natures of radiation have been explained. This is followed by a discussion on the nature of matter, where both the particle nature and wave nature of matter have been described. Lastly, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle has been discussed. Unit 3 on quantum mechanical approach begin with a brief introduction to the need of a new approach to explain atomic structure. This is followed by a discussion of important aspects and general terminology of quantum mechanics. The time-independent Schrodinger equation has been discussed, and its application to yield the energy states of hydrogen-like atoms has been explained. Unit 4 on hydrogen atom discussed in details about the Schrodinger equation for hydrogen atoms and origin of 3 quantum numbers. The radial distribution function and angular dependence of wave function have been explained. The shapes of various orbitals have been illustrated. Finally, the origin of spin quantum number has been explained. Unit 5 on electronic configuration of multi-electron atoms begin with a discussion on the energy levels of multi-electron atoms. Then the rules for filling of electrons in various orbitals have been explained. The electronic configuration of the elements have been illustrated, and the stability of half-filled and completely filled orbital have been discussed. After that, the anomalous configuration of element have been explained. At the end of this unit, on the basis of the electronic configuration, the arrangement of element into the periodic table has been illustrated. Expected learning outcomes. After studying this block, you should be able to explain the important features of earlier models of structure of atom. Discuss Bohr model of atom, giving its success and limitations in explaining the atomic structure. Describe the wave nature and particle nature of radiation and matter. Explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Discuss the importance and the need of quantum mechanical approach in explaining the atomic structure. Write time-independent Schrodinger equation and arrive at the energy states of the hydrogen atom. Discuss the origin of quantum numbers and draw the shapes of various atomic orbitals. Explain the filling of electrons in various atomic orbitals of element. Highlight the stability of element having half-filled and completely filled orbitals, and write electronic configuration of an element and find its place in the appropriate position in the periodic table.